Welcome to English Story Journey. Today, we will talk about why America is so famous around the world. Introduction. America is not just a country, it is a global idea. When people around the world hear the name America, they think of freedom, opportunity, power, and influence. From Hollywood movies to world politics, from technology to culture, the United States has shaped the modern world in ways no other nation has. America is famous not by accident, but because of its history, values, innovation, and global leadership. 1. America, the land of freedom and democracy. One of the biggest reasons America is famous around the world is its strong belief in freedom and democracy. The United States was founded on the idea that all people are born equal and have the right to speak freely, practice their religion, and choose their leaders. The U.S. Constitution and the Bill of Rights became models for many countries. Even today, America is seen as a symbol of free speech, human rights, and democratic values, which makes it highly respected and widely discussed across the globe. 2. The American Dream. America is famous for the idea of the American dream, the belief that anyone, no matter where they come from, can succeed through hard work and determination. Millions of immigrants came to America hoping for a better life, and many of them achieved success. Stories of people rising from poverty to prosperity inspire the world. This powerful dream has made America a land of hope and opportunity in the eyes of millions. Economic power and global influence. The United States is the world's largest and most influential economy. The American dollar is a global currency, and U.S. companies operate in almost every country. Major brands like Apple, Google, Amazon, Coca-Cola, and Microsoft are known worldwide. America's economic strength gives it global influence, making its decisions important not only for Americans, but for the entire world. 4. Leader in technology and innovation. America is famous for leading the world in innovation and technology. Silicon Valley is the heart of global tech development. The Internet, smartphones, social media platforms, and advanced medical research all have strong American roots. From space exploration by NASA to modern artificial intelligence, America constantly pushes the boundaries of what is possible. This spirit of innovation makes the U.S. a global leader in science and technology. 5. Hollywood and global pop culture. American entertainment plays a huge role in making the country famous. Hollywood movies, Netflix series, music, and celebrities reach every corner of the world. American pop culture influences fashion, language, lifestyle, and trends globally. Whether it is Marvel movies, hip-hop music, or international award shows, American media shapes how people think, dress, and entertain themselves. 6. Military strength and world leadership. America is also famous for its military power and role in international security. The United States has one of the strongest armed forces in the world and plays a key role in international organizations like the United Nations and NATO. In times of global crisis, America's actions often impact world peace and stability. This leadership role keeps America constantly in the global spotlight. 7. Cultural diversity and immigration. Another reason America is famous is its incredible diversity. People from different races, religions, and cultures live together in the United States. This diversity makes America unique and dynamic. It is often called a melting pot because different cultures come together to create one national identity. This multicultural society attracts people from all over the world and makes America globally relatable. Conclusion. In conclusion, America is famous around the world because of its freedom, opportunities, economic power, innovation, culture, and global leadership. It is a country that influences how the world thinks, works, and dreams. Whether people admire it or criticize it, America cannot be ignored. Its impact is global, its voice is powerful, and its story continues to shape the future of the world. That is why America is truly famous around the world.